Hello, guys. So, I'm also going to be talking about how I feel about fat phobia on the internet. Okay, so first of all, I have been a dating coach for almost 2 years now. Actually, exactly 22 months. Um, but I am not really phased by fat phobia. I think it's funny, honestly, because honestly, like, I don't, I I don't. It doesn't really apply to real life because, like, I get chose on every day, but it doesn't. So it doesn't really matter, uh, or affect me. Also, I feel like there's so many extremes on the internet, such as like being lighter skin is like basically the secret society of privilege on the internet. But people pass up on light skinned people every day, like mixed people every day. So I don't really care about it. Also, like, I love my belly. Like, I wish I had something on that could show it a little bit more, but I don't feel like changing right now. But I love my belly. I love myself. Men love my belly. They love me, so I don't really care. Um, Also, I'm I'm it. So it's like, I'm sorry. I don't really, like, stuff stuff that people say on the internet is kind of null and void because it actually has nothing to do with what goes on in my real life and the success that I bring to other people. Because I literally was such a, I don't know how to say this. Well, I'm literally such a don that I can teach hundreds of people, thousands of people, how to be a don like me. This fat dating coach. I love it. I actually love it, and I'm gorgeous, of course. So I don't really, it doesn't really bother me. But I feel like it actually bothers people that I'm not as bothered about it, which is so hilarious to me. Like, it's so fucking hilarious to me. But it is what it is, and people are gonna say what they want to say. People don't have anything better to do with their lives than to judge some random person on the internet because they don't like my body, or maybe they do because they clicked on the video, they watch it, they give me my views and give me my watch time. So I don't know, maybe they like it, I don't know. And it's a struggle for them to accept that, but they don't have nothing to do with me. Keep watching, keep keep tuning in to see all of this. I don't really it doesn't really affect me. I see a lot of people getting affected by it, and shouts out to all my thick girls, my fluffy girls. Don't be affected by it because we know what it is. We know what it is. So these people on the internet, people who have to make comments about your body, it's coming from a place of insecurity. And it's not that they're jealous of your confidence, they're jealous of the attention that they know that you actually get. So that's another thing. All of this, oh yeah, it's because you're confident. They're jealous of your confidence. No, baby. Even when I wasn't at my most confident, I was still getting chose on. So it's just life. Like, you don't have to listen to these people on the internet. We know you're sexy. I know you're sexy. You know you're sexy. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know, because your life is going to go on whether these people stay mad or not. They're the ones breathing hard and obsessed over what your body looks like. You don't need to be worried about what other people think who are not paying your bills. They're probably broke, miserable people who sit on the internet and, like, just discuss you. Like, they literally add more views to whatever you're doing. I don't know. I just wanted to cover that a little bit, especially for my fluffy girls, so that you guys know, you don't never need to be worried about these people. They're just some losers. So, yeah, you can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram, Imani underscore Yvonne 2 on Twitter, and yeah, I'll be talking to you guys later. Love you guys.